Over the past 5 years, there's been a tremendous change. As I went to IBM, we see this incredible focus on mobile first, and therefore this exponential flourishing of an expectation on both a brand side and a customer side to have access both ways 365 days a year. Always on, always accessible, in the best of cases, a dialogue between brands and the humans that are their customers that we need to perpetuate. So in order to fuel that, we need a tremendous amount of content.
The pace of change within content creation in the last 5 years has tremendously accelerated. So designers are looking for solutions that could help them make that transition from concept all the way to production in a much faster way.
I was asked, like, how do our clients' needs change over the last 5 years? They've changed over the last 6 months. People used to say, you can do 3 things when you're creating work. You get high quality, you can get a low cost, and you can get it fast. Use 2 of those. Now it's all 3. They want high quality, they want it fast, and they don't want to pay exorbitant amounts of money. So we have to move really, really fast, and we have to be iterative much more so than we've ever been. So the puzzle in those 2 things is, how do you keep virtuosity with velocity? How do you make sure your craft is extraordinary? How do you make sure your execution is extraordinary? And also make sure that you're doing it as quickly as possible? That's the challenge. How do you keep both of those vectors aligned?